Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use fish oil. Start by choosing a high-quality supplement and reading the label for dosage. Look for EPA and DHA amounts and third-party testing to ensure purity. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting supplements, especially if you take medications or have medical conditions. Keep your capsules stored in a cool, dark place and follow the recommended daily amount for your health goals. Measure your dose by reading the supplement facts and counting EPA plus DHA milligrams per serving. If a full dose causes mild stomach upset, try taking half in the morning and half at night with meals. For specific targets like heart or joint support, discuss ideal milligram goals with a clinician. Never self-prescribe very high doses without supervision, and monitor for side effects while adjusting your routine gently. Taking fish oil with a meal that contains some fat improves absorption and reduces gastric upset. If you notice a fishy aftertaste, refrigerate capsules or take them with yogurt or a smoothie to mask flavor. Consistent daily intake matters more than exact timing, so pick a routine that fits your meals. Combine supplements with a balanced diet, exercise, and hydration for the best overall outcomes and steady results over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.